Good morning, friends, and welcome to Gigi's Kitchen. Hope everyone are doing well. Today, I'm going to make a special dish for a friend who asked me to make this because she has iron deficiency. So the doctor told her to eat liver once a week. So I'm going to make spicy liver fry. It's very easy to make, only need few ingredients. And then are you ready? Let's do it. So to make the liver fry, what I have here is about 2 pounds of liver, beef liver, and cut it in small cubes about this size and washed it few times. So let's cook this. So to cook the liver, I'm going to add a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder, organic turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Mix them well. The liver has a lot of water, so you don't need to add any water. So now I'm going to cover it and cook it until all the water is gone. And cook this in a medium heat. As I mentioned before, the liver has a lot of water. When it gets heated, it releases a lot of water. So the liver is cooked and ready for frying. So let's fry this. To fry the liver, what I have here is a small onion sliced thinly, 4 pieces of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger sliced thinly as well, and a pinch of curry leaves. Let's fry the liver. So the pan is hot, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So the oil is hot. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. So the mustard seeds are all popped. Now I'm going to add the garlic, ginger, and the curry leaves and saute them until they are soft. The garlic, ginger, and the curry leaves are soft. So now I'm going to add the onions and saute them until they are slightly brown. So they are slightly brown, so now I'm going to add the liver. I'm going to add some black pepper as well, lots of black pepper. So if you want it this spicy, add a lot, about maybe a tablespoon of black pepper and fry them. Smells so good. You could also add sliced coconut, roasted sliced coconut if you like. You don't need to add any extra oil. Whatever the oil that you use to saute the onion and garlic and ginger, that's enough to fry this. It smells really good. So the liver is ready. So here is our spicy liver fry. So let's taste this. Bon appetit. This is delicious. Really, really good. Enough salt, enough spices. So good. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website, 𝐬𝐿.com. I will come to you soon with another video. See ya.